What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can sell your e-commerce products on Facebook Marketplace. If you are into e-commerce business or you have products that you are selling, you're into buying and selling, and you're looking for where to sell your products, I got it covered, guys. There are many platforms that you can sell your e-commerce business. Facebook Marketplace is one of my favorite place that I used to post my goods on Marketplace. And right now, I am going to show you how I do that. The first thing that you need to do if you don't have your Facebook is to go to the App Store and download your Facebook. After that, you now click on Facebook and create your account. If you don't have any account on Facebook, make sure that you create a Facebook account. And right now, we're going to head straight to the marketplace because the marketplace is free. You don't need to pay money to post any product on marketplace. You don't need to register. Your account on Facebook account has already covered it, so automatically Facebook Marketplace is on every Facebook account. So right now we are getting to the menu. We're going to click on the menu. This is the menu here right now, and it takes me to this place right now. I am in the Facebook Marketplace. I will now click here. This is the Facebook Marketplace. You can see lots of products. People are posting their products. You can see different types. You can see shoes. You can see clothes. You can see all available. Any type. This one is property for sale. So you can use this platform and make money. People are using these platforms to make huge money, millions of money. I am not joking about this because Facebook Marketplace have made me millions of money of sales selling. So right now we're going to go here straight to the sell. This is here where we are going to be creating our listing. And right now here we're now going to click here, create listing. It will take you to this place. You can see items, vehicles, property for sale. So depending on the kind of products that you want to sell, but right now I want to sell products. I'm not selling vehicle. I'm not putting property for sale or any rent. So right now I'm going to hit here, sell items. So right now we are on the new listing place where we can place new listing. So right now I'm going to click on the photos. Facebook gave you options of like 10 photos so that they can see either if the product has different colors or different patterns that you took your pictures. So you are going to display them on this place. The next thing you should know is that Facebook don't allow you to post, customize and design brands unless it is your own customized brands. So the pictures that you are going to post should not be customized like Gucci, all those big names. They don't want it. Tommy Hilfiger, Gap, all those things. Timberland, all those big names in designers products, they will not allow you to post it. They will give you a warning if you keep posting it, and if you are not listening to them, they will ban your access to post on Facebook Marketplace. So right now, let's dive. Right now, I'm going to click on add photos. So depending on what I want to sell, you can see the beautiful products here. So right now, let me see, we can now go to these tops. This top is very beautiful. So right now, let me click on this top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types. 6, 7, 8 is very beautiful. 8. Okay, we got 9 photos, and now go to done. It will take me here. Right now I'm going to put the title of the clothes. The title is ladies. You now get your own title. Ladies, beautiful fashion tops. I'll now put the price. The price, the price. I'll now put the price of the top, 16,000 naira for the top. And you put your category. The category is here, is already there. So see the category, you choose the category of the product that you are selling. This is women's clothing, and I am here. So right now, the condition of this clothes. So the condition of the clothes is new. If you're selling fairly used, you put used goods. If it's fairly used, you see the options here: used like new, used good, used fairly. So right now, I'm going to click on new because it's a new clothes. And right now, I'm going to hit on the description. My location is Worry. Delivery worldwide. Then I'll put ladies fashion clothes, fashion top, blouse. Then I'll put this because it has one size. So I will put one size fits fits all. You can see that. So you now put the sizes. You can now put color pink, black, lemon green color. It has lemon green, so I'm going to put lemon green color, lemon green color, white color. These are the colors of the clothes of the top. So brand, I'm not going to put brand because so I'll put tags, ladies tops, fashion clothes, luxury wear, party wear, beautiful. Okay, that's this. Just anything that you can put so that they'll be able to find your products. So that's just it. Then the next one is hide from your friends. Oh God, how can I hide my product from my friends? I want people to see my product. I want my product to be visible. So I am not hiding anything from anybody. So you put your preferences here, how you want to sell. Is it public meetup or door pickup? So public meet up for safety. I'm going to click on public meet up for safety, guys. So right now I am done. We go here. So this is the marketplace. Right now, your product is automatically there on the Facebook marketplace. So you can as well create your own group. This is my own Facebook group, market group. Then other groups, you can join other suggested groups so that your market will be visible for other people that have audience. And some people might want you to pay money to join their group and so that you can be verified on their group. If you're opportunity to know how they do it, you can also get verified so that you have access to be posting on their group. So right now, if I want to put any, if I want to add to my group, I will not put here any group that you like, you now click their group. Any group that you think that yes, you can post, you add to their group. And right now, I think I am done, guys. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and publish. You can see publish your listing in 5 places. If I want to still remove them, I will still remove them. Now my this thing is in 3 places or in 2 places. I will go right now and hit publish. So you can see that is moving to like publish my listing here. So right here, you can even see my listings here. I've listed so much products here. Active now. So my products right now is active. And before you know it, once it starts moving, people can now start sending me message from my inbox chatting. I'll start seeing them. So right now you can see the messages from Facebook marketplaces. People that wants to buy product from me are sending me message through Facebook marketplace and it will come to my chat automatically. So let me just answer some maybe some questions here. This one says, I'm interested in these clothes. Is it everything in the pics? Clothes only. I'll reply clothes only. So any other one, I'll just go through like that and maybe reply them. This one, is it available? Available. You reply just like this, and that's how you make sales on your Facebook marketplace. Anybody that you guys agree to meet up and sell, agree on the price first, then you deliver. Either you deliver by yourself or you find your dispatch rider or your delivery man or any logistics company, they can do the delivery for you. So it's very, very easy for you to make money on this Facebook marketplace. You can even be selling every day. Me, I make weekly sales. Almost every day I am cashing out, selling on Facebook, guys. So this is where I'm going to be stopping. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's your baby girl, a beast lady on the beats. Thank you, guys. To my new subscriber, thank you for coming. Bye. Bye bye.